Hi everybody, this is Kevin Anderson here with a new PIERO University video tutorial on a new dedicated speed control effect that is out with version 20.6 of PIERO. So you'll notice in the upper left hand corner of our effect group, we've got a new icon called speed control, and let's show you how it works. So in terms of this effect, you do not need a key, you do not need a calibration. It's a purely video control effect. So you'll go to the spot on your timeline in which you want to slow the video down. I'll do it right here. We'll left click and add in speed control into our stack. And so a couple parts about this I want you to be aware of. Number one is you can adjust the duration that is being slowed down by easily dragging your out part on your timeline left to right, as you can see I'm doing here. If we want to have it be a longer portion or a shorter portion that's slowed down, we can do that. We can also click and drag this along our stack if we decide we want to slow it down earlier or later. So right now in our property sheet, we'll slow this down at 50% speed. We'll go on air. Then as we get to the point in which it hits that speed control, the video is going to slow down, and it will be slow until our speed control portion ends. So if we want it to go, like right about here where it speeds back up to real time, we'll go back, we'll hit play, and now we'll watch our video slow down. And the moment that effect ends, the video go back to real speed, because that's what we have our out action near in the property sheet as in play. So you can do 75%, 50%, or 25% speed as part of this. This effect works in file in out mode in PIERO and with Rio, Mira, EVS, and Dreamcatcher control as well. We hope you enjoyed this PIERO University video, speed control starting with PIERO 20.6.